Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can, so to speak, poke someone on Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes. And let's get to our topic. And such a way as poking someone on Facebook is quite interesting and a good way to draw attention to yourself, to remind yourself, to someone's Facebook friends and start that kind of fun communication. And to begin with, open up the Facebook application. Next, you'll need to find this kind of magnifying glass sign at the top. You click on it. And then you need to search for the word poke. So you will find a section like this, a line like pokes. You click on it. As you can see, there is even a corresponding sign, as if you just go to someone and just poke the person, so to speak. And then you have to select a specific person from the list. Or, in order not to search for a long time, you can enter the name of the person in the search box. And then you just select the name, poke. And this way, the person will get a notification that he was poked and can poke you back. And either after poking the person, you on Facebook can write some kind of message in Facebook Messenger. So that's a pretty simple and fun way you can poke someone on Facebook to start chatting. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments. See you all again.